Hey guys, come spend the day with me. Make sure you watch the video until the end. So far, how is your 2025 going? Because we're 3.5 months in and mine is chaotic and ghetto. I'm currently going to a gastro specialist for stomach issues that I'm having. I'm trying to move out of my current townhouse into the next townhouse, but everything is so expensive. And I'm trying to plan for my 30th birthday. And then this is how my day ended. I just was not expecting my day to end like this. It's just another downfall. And of course, I'm thankful that we're all alive and now I have a minor concussion. I have light sensitivity and sound sensitivity. But hopefully this is the light at the end of the tunnel. I'm just praying for better days.